Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am showing you how to make this easiest, cheesiest, delicious pizza recipe in under 30 minutes using my no yeast magic dough recipe. But before we begin, I just wanted to let you know that I have created a brand new Instagram account for my channel and it's linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to give it a follow because I will be showing you a lot of behind the scenes action in there and you don't want to miss it. And also share your recipes now with me on Instagram using the hashtag #thecupcakeconfession, and I would love to see your creations. So let's get back into this recipe. The first thing we want to do is preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius or as high as your oven can go, and you're also going to place a steel plate inside the oven, so the plate needs to preheat along with the oven. Now here I have this magic dough which I have showed you in a previous recipe, in a previous video before, and it's all down in the description box below and up on the screen. We've made a lot of other recipes using that dough, and today we are going to make this pizza. So use the palms of your hands to just shape the dough gently, and once you've done that, we're just going to start rolling this pizza dough into a nice flat circle. Also, you may have noted that I divided the dough into two parts. That's because this recipe makes two pizzas, which is always better than one pizza. So that's more for you, and that's always a good thing because you can never have too much of pizza. Now, using your rolling pin, just go as thin as you can. Try to make it thin because as you cook this, it is going to puff up because there are some leavening agents in there, as you know. So just roll it out to as thin a circle as you can, and by now it's been like 15-20 minutes, so the oven is preheating at 250°C with that plate. So I'm going to take that plate out and place it back on a stove. So the plate always has to be hot because that kind of starts to cook the dough as you place it on the tray or the plate. So I'm just going to dust it lightly with flour, and you immediately see that some of the flour starts to brown. That's because the plate is super hot, so be careful. Now I'm just going to use some oil and just rub it on the surface of the pizza dough, and you can start to see now that the dough is actually starting to breathe as we speak. And you're just going to keep turning the tray around with your kitchen cloth just so the pizza dough is cooked evenly. This you will do for about a minute or 2 minutes. You'll see that the pizza dough starts to breathe, it starts to puff up. Add some oil if you feel that the dough is a little bit dry in some areas. You don't have to add too much, it's just like a tablespoon or a couple tablespoons, that's totally fine. And once you see that the pizza has puffed up, overall you'll see that the center is actually puffing up quite a lot, and that's making me so happy because that means our pizza is going to be super delicious and the crumb is going to be very open inside when you bite into it. Now I'm going to slather a generous amount of tomato sauce. Now the recipe is also down in the description box below. It's super easy. You could also use store-bought sauce if you wish. Once you have added the sauce, just be generous with this because you don't want a dry pizza. I like to make homemade sauce because it's quick, easy and super delicious. I've actually showed you how to make that tomato sauce on video when I made that pizza which had no cheese and no yeast and was made without an oven. So check that video out for a video demonstration if you wish. But even so, the sauce is very easy to make and you can even use store-bought if you wish. Now I'm going to add some cheddar cheese first. You could use any cheese of your choice. I had cheddar and mozzarella on hand, so that's what I've used. So first I've added some cheddar cheese, and now I'm just going to start topping it with my favorite veggies. So I like to keep it really simple with just some onions and some tomatoes and some capsicum. Now you could add mushrooms, corn, spinach. You could even add meats like grilled chicken or fish or shrimp, whatever you wish. Just make sure that the meats are cooked. Once I've added all of the veggies, I'm just going to add a slight drizzle of some oil, and then we will top it off with some more of the mozzarella cheese. So initially I used cheddar, now I'm going to add mozzarella cheese, and just be generous. I mean, you can never eat too much cheese, can you? Then I'm going to just sprinkle some mixed herbs, and now this pizza is ready to go in the oven at 250 degrees Celsius or the highest that your oven can go to for 7 to 8 minutes or until the pizza looks deliciously golden brown like this. We are going to dive right in and just look how amazing that is, guys. This is super delicious and addictive. So I really hope you give this a go. When you do, post a photo to Instagram and tag me using the hashtag #TheCupcakeConfession. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.